Why don't we look at Netflix? Because Dave was bringing this up yesterday, afternoon, and Dave Hatman, what do you think about Netflix here?
Yeah, the theme today has really been about nesting at home, staying at home, getting your entertainment. The S&P 600, the small cap index, has fallen 25% off its high. The S&P 500 has been almost 20%, and Netflix is only half of that. So,
Right. So this is a perfect example of where, since it's only 9% below the high, this is so far a flat base in the making, and that would
exactly.
be really, really bullish if it holds that tight. Definitely one for our watch list.
That's another way to, at least for me, to look at stocks and decide are they strong or not. In addition to, as Chris pointed out here, the RS line, and then going forward, some tight closes, hopefully,
Right.
holding up near that 10-week line.
Well, I think this chart is really, shaping up nicely. Like Dave mentioned so many great points about it. Their management is solid. If you ever get a chance, listen to one of their, or actually watch one of their conference calls, because they do it
Yeah.
over a video, and they've got a sense of humor. And I think Reed Hastings, the CEO there, is brilliant. And I think the chart is setting up beautifully.
So that's a positive. But even more positive is the fact that I feel like the management at Netflix has clearly appreciated Wall Street's pounding the table to get to free cash flow positive.
Mm.
So they have actually said, we are going to, in the long term, strive to go for free cash flow positive, which is good for potential buybacks in the future to help shareholders maintain value. So perhaps the sort of stance that they took in their Q4 report that was released about a month ago is being reflected in this relatively light decline.